And now Team Lightning. Number 1, Cooper Ewan, Sturgeon Heights Huskies. Number 2, Martin Hovey, Beaver Bay Broncos. Number 3, Adam Kleshin, Garden City Gophers. 4, Jeremy Lamonaco, Oak Park Raiders. 5, Ty Noble, Oak Park Raiders. 6, Braden Spear, Maples Marauders. 7, Nick Gamble, St. James Rods. 11, Carson Neal, West Kildonan Wolverines. 14, Tyler Parks, Churchill Bulldogs. 15, Yembi Moiba, Kelvin Clippers. 17, Bryson Pluta, River East Kodiaks. 20, Phil Gadget, River East Kodiaks. 22, Mark Bayer, Oak Park Raiders. 24, Yasser El Naji, Kelvin Clippers. 25, Abdul Cisse, Kelvin Clippers. 26, Jeff Fewings, Sturgeon Heights Huskies. 31, Mike Smith, Oak Park Raiders. 32, Brian Giesbrecht, River East Kodaks. 33, Eric St. Vincent, Kelvin Clippers. 34, Terrence Cotu, Oak Park Raiders. 35, Matt Arnold, St. Vital Mustangs. 37, David Lowry, Oak Park Raiders. 39, Kyle Walls, Oak Park Raiders. 40, Matthew Anderson, St. Vital Mustangs. 42, Lucas Dawson, Oak Park Raiders. 44, Brian Morrow, River East Kodiaks. 45, Randy Hayden, Eastman Raiders. 48, Jordan Powell, Kelvin Clippers. 50, Tyler Fabry, St. Vital Mustangs. 51, Paul Pura, River East Kodiaks. 52, Adam Aricia, Garden City Gophers. 55, Jeffrey Reedman, Garden City Gophers. 56, Kirkland Harper, Churchill Bulldogs. 57, Tyler Norris Long, St. John's Tigers. 58, Dylan Gray, West Kildonan Wolverines. 60, Chad DeCranieri, St. Vital Mustangs. 64, Dale Enns, Churchill Bulldogs. 65, Robert Lesperance, Murdoch McKay Klansmen. 68, Aaron Koch, Beaver Bay Broncos. 70, Kirk Canluck, Murdoch McKay Klansmen. 77, Luke Ducharme, Eastman Raiders. 81, Danny Turk, Maples Marauders. 85, Brent Peterson, Garden City Gophers. And number 90, Stephen Bililou, St. James Rods. Head coach, James Murphy. Assistant coaches, Don Burrell, Dave Donaldson, Mo Elowanibi, Glenn Scrivener, Paul Bennett, Rick Hankwich, Steve Harder, Stu Nixon, and John Ramu. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Lightning.